Okay, we're going to work on simple machines. So I dropped one of my papers, sorry guys. And I'm back. You should have watched Pulleys Lesson 1 video and learning about pulleys and be ready to do your lap book. So to do your lap book, you need to find this paper. Levers should be missing from the top of it because you should have already done that lesson. And this paper, hopefully they're in your lap book so that we can attach those to the pulleys page, which looks like this. So we have our title, we have our description, and then we're going to add notes about what you learned from the video. We're also going to be doing some labeling. You can see here that we have a place to label at the bottom, and we'll work on that part together. I loved all of the beautiful coloring, even though Anders made a comment, because I know he doesn't like to color. This is going to be a beautiful finished project, and you're going to turn it in. So I'm sorry, you got to color the pictures when we're finished and make it look great. A lot of us like to do that. I know he doesn't. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do, is to cut out pulley. And then you are going to glue it with your glue stick in the title box. So everybody do that. You can pause the video and do it, or you can wait till after I'm finished and do the cutting and gluing and coloring at the end. Then you're going to find this paper, and we are looking for the second one in the top row. This one we put for levers. This one's going to go for pulleys. It says, this machine uses a wheel with grooves and a rope or a cable. So you're going to cut that out, and you're going to glue it right here where the description of the machine goes. And then you can set that paper aside. Now we need to do the notes and the labeling part. So let's do the labeling first. Excuse me. So on the labeling part at the bottom, we know that we are talking about moving something. We know that we are having a load that we are moving by using a force. We also had a fulcrum to help us move that load in the lever. We don't. We have a wheel and a groove in which the rope goes, but we still have to mark force and load. So this is our load. So on the line here, you're going to write load, L-O-A-D, load. All right, so everybody write that there. And then over here, where the rope part is, we're going to write the word force. Because that's where we apply the force. We pull down on that rope to make it go, to make the load go up in the air. So force and load. Now we're going to fill in our notes section about things that we've learned about pulleys from the video. So let's get that done right now. So we know that pulling on one side of the rope causes the other end to move through the pulley. Causes the other end to move through the pulley. And when that happens, that lightens the load and it raises up into the air. Lightens the load. And that makes it go in the air. So we know pulleys are also used for raising, lowering, or moving objects. know that's a lot to write. I'm going to hold it up for a little bit so you can get a good screenshot of it. Remember, you can always pause the video if you can't write fast enough. So I wrote pulleys. Pulling on one side of the rope causes the other end to move through the pulley, which lightens the load so it can be used for raising, lowering, or moving objects. Move that back down so you can see it really well. And then up. Okay, and if you needed to pause to write that, you can. So now you need to finish by coloring your clothesline and your block and tackle pulleys on the sheet and send me a picture of your finished work. Tomorrow for science, your parents got a mystery Doug link to his website where he has lots and lots of fun Earth Day videos and a few activities, I think, in there. There's like a weather watching activity that they might have to download some papers for you to do, but most of it you can do without it. So have fun exploring some Earth Day things tomorrow. I'll see you back again for Simple Machines on Wednesday.